What are we gonna do with all this rubbish? Here I am in a project that we're starting building, and sometimes we get the question asked, what do we do with the rubbish during construction? It looks like such a wasteful thing. There's dirt everywhere, like you can see just behind me. There's bags of styrofoam and leftovers everywhere, cut pieces of steel, all sorts of stuff that gets produced during construction. Tons and tons and tons of rubbish. And how do we manage that in a tight site like this? How do we manage that to make sure that all of that rubbish gets managed adequately and in a way that it's environmentally friendly? And we do that in a couple ways. The first one is, you can see just behind me, there's this big skip here. It's a skip bin where we actually store everything that is discarded or that is left over from offcuts to rubbish bags to all sorts of stuff gets put into there. That way it's contained, making sure it doesn't go and fly around, impact the neighbors or the environment around us. And then everything else that is recyclable or reusable gets managed differently. You can see a whole bunch of dirt here behind me. All of that dirt will go to landfill, but not to rubbish landfill the way we know it. It'll go to field actual projects in other places from other builders. It'll actually go to earthworks and civil works elsewhere in a way that allows us to use that dirt somewhere else, that allows those other projects to also get an outcome without impacting the environment as much. And then some of the other stuff simply gets recycled. Extra concrete gets recycled, extra crushed rock and things like that get recycled. And leftover materials sometimes we store in our warehouse, in our natural storage facility, that then we can go and reuse. Again, big challenge to try to build these projects in a way that is environmentally friendly and that is efficient and that is, I guess, aligned with the values of sustainability and environment protection. But we do everything we can. We actually think we do much better than many other people out there. However, if you have any questions, feel free to post them below. I'll be interested to see what you think.